Hello, this is Scott Byrne with SAWIN. I wanted to take a few minutes to create a video and show you how easy it is to build a job within our software and have it marked as unassigned or actually on the calendar to be done. This is our demo environment, so keep in mind a lot of these things are able to be changed based on what you actually need, so we can discuss that further if there's any questions. But looking at the software here, this is the main dashboard that you would see being logged into. As your customer calls in or you get a new service request, you're going to hover over this service tab. Under maintain, you can actually go into searching for that customer. So from this field, you can search by company name, by their phone number, by their address, whatever information is easily available, and that will present you with everything about that customer. So I am searching for Lifetime Gym. I select my customer, and now this has all the information that I need to answer questions or go into creating a new service call at this point. If the customer does have questions, it's as easy as just scrolling down here to see their open invoices or jobs. You can go into equipment or open proposals. So this is very simple to answer any questions on the fly as well. But for this case, we're going to create a new job. So now I'm going to go under that service task drop down, select a new service call, and that brings you to the job creation page. This customer was flagged for an over credit limit, and it looks like they have a contract in place already for scheduled maintenance. So we're just going to go around that to book a different call. And now this is the main job creation page. The first thing we'll see is that you can add in a problem description. You can type in what you need, or you can go to the standard drop downs that you have the ability to create for your use cases. So I'm going to select heating on this case, add that in, and that's going to add in my custom message. Like we said, that's based on what you need. Task code, once again, is customizable. This kind of groups out what type of job this is going to be. A quick service call to figure out why my AC is not blowing cold. We estimate that to take about 1 hour, and that's populated by the task code. Next thing is scheduling. I'm going to go to the time promised here. Is this an emergency? Do we want it to be the first call in the morning, 8 o'clock to 10 a.m., maybe later in the afternoon? So make the selection of where you want this job to be on the calendar. And then from here, selecting a technician would be the next step. You can leave this blank for it to be unassigned, or we can scroll down and find Scott Byrne and assign it to myself. From there, you can add in any other descriptions or special instructions that are needed, turn on notifications, email alerts, and then add in any parts that might be required for this job as well. You can also attach equipment or other documents that are needed. So these tabs down at the bottom come to play just depending on what the customer needs. But this page is overall what you need to create a new job and leave it unassigned or book it for a technician. Once that information is in there, I'm going to go ahead and hit save, and this will populate it on my calendar. So if I go over to the dispatch board, that's going to show this calendar view here. I'm going to go ahead and refresh it. Any new unassigned jobs would be added to the calendar. Or if I come over here to see Scott Byrne, we can see the job that we put for Lifetime Gym. So this is a very simple way to create a job and place it on your calendar. If there's any questions or if you want to go into this process a little further for your use case, just shoot me a quick email or book a call with me, and we can go through anything else that you want to see within SAWin. Thank you for your time.